Hey DIYers, I'm back with another video. I'm suffering from cold and fever, so please just excuse my flickering voice. And yeah, I told you in my DIY hippie boho style fabric necklace making video that I will make a separate video for necklace Dori making, that twisted rope Dori. So I'm here with the twisted rope Dori making in single color and also in bicolor. If you haven't watched my necklace making video yet, then I will put the link somewhere in the screen between here from here, and also I'll put the link in the description box, so please check the description box. And yeah, so without any further talk, let's get into the video.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
For this necklace, I made 2 single dories and attached the dories with the necklace. To wear this necklace, I simply tie the dories. For this necklace, I made a single long dory and then I joined the 2 ends of the dory with a tassel, and then I faked 2 tassels at the both sides of this tassel, and then I put a thread bit in the dory with the help of a hairpin, and then I fake another tassel at the end of the dory to secure the bit. I'm gonna show you a demo how I did this.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by thunder.
Try to hide the dory properly underneath the tassel.
Thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
Now trim the tassel. Here you can see I hide the dory ends underneath the tassel.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
You have to repeat this step and fake another tassel at the other side.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
After putting the bead in, you have to fake another tassel here. As you can see, I faked this tassel here too. For this necklace, I made 2 single dories, and then I attached the one end of the dories with the neck piece, and then I put some thread beads and some khungrus in each of the dories with the help of hairpin, and then I put a thread bead in both of the dories together, and then I join the other ends of the dories with the tassel. The length and the thickness of the dory is vary as per the desired length and desired thickness. I mentioned the measurement of the strands for my dories in the description box below, so please check the description box for the measurements. If you find my video helpful, thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment box that you find my video helpful or not. Also make sure to press the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.